How to add footnotes in your Word document. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add footnotes to your Word document that you're trying to edit. So as here you can see, I have this sample document right here, and on this particular document we will be attempting to apply footnotes. So for example, let's say I want to apply a footnote for this particular word, that is agreement. So what you can do is simply place your cursor towards that particular position on which you want to add a footnote. So for example, let's say I want to add a footnote for this particular word. So I'm going to place my cursor just after this. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is simply click onto this references tab at the top. Once I'm going to click onto this references tab, you can see this big button right here that says insert footnote. Add a note at the bottom of the page providing more info about something in your document. Or alternatively, you may also choose to press the Alt, Control, and F key combinations. So simply click onto this insert footnote, and here you can see that a footnote line has been successfully added here. So since we want to add the footnote for the word agreement, you can simply type in the definition or anything related to this, like, and once you're done with that, you can simply remove your cursor, and here you can see that over the agreement you can see this number, that is the number one, and just below you can see the definition for this particular word or about the references to this word. You can also add multiple footnotes if you want. So for example, let's say let's add a footnote for this particular word, that is quotes. So you can simply again click to the insert footnote button, and you can see that now it is giving us an option to determine or define the second word, which was quote. So you can type in its definition or anything related to that particular word, like, and once you're done with that, you can simply remove your cursor from the position, and here you can see that our agreement is our footnote number one, and the word quotes is our footnote number two, and the reader can simply look at the bottommost part of the page and they could easily see the meanings or the references for these particular words. So that's how easily you can add the footnotes in your MS Word document. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. To tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.